Israel is their fatherland, and India their motherland.
Must be the view of the Prime Minister and his government, certainly not the view of the nation. Iran has been a long-standing ally of India, right? Whatever government Iran has is a different thing. Iran as a country is culturally has been a long ally of our country, and the Prime Minister openly endorsing Israel has in a way put India into a delicate situation, because India has always maintained neutrality, never being part of any power bloc, whether it was the USSR, whether it was USA or anyone. So we have been neutral, we have maintained our dignity, we have maintained our position, we have maintained our high moral values as far as the geopolitics is concerned. So Modi and his government aligning with one part of the countries is, in a way giving up the traditional neutral stand India as a country used to take, and which was morally high, and we could advise any nation in the world that what is right and wrong. Today, being an ally of one particular country and its power bloc, we have lost that neutrality.